Check out this 1989 LS Swapped E30 Track Car. This thing is completely gutted, weighs around 2,100 pounds. The most uncomfortable seats you could imagine. I drove this from Houston, 4 hours on the highway. Worst experience ever. But as you can see, this is actually not meant for drag racing. It was a circuit car. So it's got 195 on all 4 tires. It handles super nice. It handles better than my E36 M3. And I'm just on coilovers. But it is zero creature comforts in here. You can see it's got a standalone Holley Terminator X ECU. These are the switch panels. The first 3 do nothing, but this one is for the rear taillights. This one is to basically let the alternator charge. This is the ignition. This is the ignition switch. It starts right up. So it's actually an LM7. So it's the 5.3 from a Gen 3. The entire motor and transmission, it's got a T56 Manual Transmission. It's built. Both the motor and trans, they have around 32,000 miles on them. So it starts up instantly. Electric auxiliary fan. This thing is slick. Just a little blip. I'm gonna let it warm up a little bit. Going on over here. It's dirty because I was just driving it all last couple of days. Nice off to my battery, very clean, no rust on this car, guys. I'm gonna throw it on Bring a Trailer and see what I can fetch for it. No reserve like always, guys. That's a cool little Holley digital dash screen right there. See you, and that's the headlight switch. So it does have headlights. Can be driven. Like I said, I drove this on the road all the way from Houston. It wasn't comfortable, but I made it work. Let me go ahead and